The Infinix GT30 Pro is a high-performance smartphone designed to cater to gamers and power users. It boasts a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and responsive touch interactions. Under the hood, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps and media. The device is equipped with a 200 MP primary camera, complemented by 2 MP depth and macro sensors, enabling high-resolution photography and 4K video recording. For selfies, it features a 32 MP front camera. The GT30 Pro runs on Android 15 with the XOS 15 skin, offering a user-friendly interface and various customization options. To keep the device running throughout the day, it houses a 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support, allowing for quick power-ups. The smartphone also includes gaming trigger buttons, enhancing the gaming experience by providing additional controls. With a starting price of 24,990 Indian rupees in India, the Infinix GT30 Pro presents a compelling option for those seeking a feature-rich device without breaking the bank.